Hi guys, with another video. Today I would like to show this Craftsman circulated uh, cell. So I'm gonna take it out all the screws and I will show you the inside. Let's go and start it. And there's a couple of screws. Let's see right here. I think. Oh, right here. One screw here. 1, 2, and also there is a screw inside right there. Right as you see right there, and another screw here. Right here. Let's go ahead and take it out of this screw first. And then right here, another screw here. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out this 2 screw from here. Right here. Okay. Another screws are there's 2 screws here, and we'll take it that too. Let's pull. Oh, it's opening. Anyway, let's get this 2 screw from here. Okay. Oh, one is already loose. Okay. Here you are. This is the motor. Let's see, can we pull it? No. Alright, now how we can take it out. How we can make it 2 pieces. Oh. Oh my god. Let's take this 2. Okay. And then take it out this guy too. You can check that. Is there any other? Oh. Let's see. Oh, let the screw come out. Come on, screw. It doesn't want to come out, but eventually I think it should come out, right? Okay. This is maybe. No, it doesn't want to come out. Anyway, there is another screw here. Let's take it that screw too. Oh. Okay, almost. Okay, this is came. Let's see what is gonna come out. Nothing. I don't know. Okay. I took all the screws, but it doesn't come out. Another way to take it out. Right there. Right? Oh. No. Very stubborn. Okay, one more. Okay, as you see, guys. Look. Oh, this is holding. This guy is holding. So how I'm gonna figure out that? There you are. Right there. This is holding. Okay. What we can do, we can hit that part. Come on. Alright. Nothing comes. Alright. Doesn't want to come. What I can do? Nothing at all. Let's hit a little bit more. This guy. Okay. Okay. Oh, no. No, it's stubborn. I don't know. I'm gonna take it out. Anyway, it doesn't work. The other day I was working and I was cutting the wood. Suddenly, suddenly it stopped. Okay, what we're gonna do? What else we can do? It's not coming out. Okay, this is good. Opening. Alright. We're getting there. Maybe not. Oh, so challenge, man. Maybe not. Wow. Okay, the screw came out. Okay, this is gone. I don't really. I don't know. No. It's so hard. Anyway, let's hit one more. So what I understand in this, right, there is a pin. Where is it? Here. There is a pin. It should come off. And after that, I think it's gonna come out. But how I can take it out? Maybe this is the way. All right. Now. Oh yeah, maybe. Let's see. Now, yes or no? Oh, guys, I don't know what to say, man. This is, I think. Oh, come on, man. Doesn't want to come. Said, oh, it cannot come out. And then I said, okay, let's break it then. Okay. Nothing. Okay. What we can do, man? Nothing at all. Maybe we can this. Maybe we can take it out of this pin. Oh, it's hard. Look, let's this time. I broke the pin. Okay, that means we are almost there. I broke the pin and we are almost there then. No, it says no, you're not there. Okay, maybe not. Was any idea? That's unbelievable. Anyhow, okay, this is the part one. Maybe I can take it out that pin, then later on I can show you guys video part 2. Alright guys, bye. Thank you for watching.